So hello everyone, as here you can see this is the exercise 5.3 question number 7, 8, 9 and 10. So let us begin the process. Here we are solving question number 8. So what is given over there? A is given as 8. an यानी कि लास्ट टर्म जो l के फॉर्म में है वो 62 दी गई है एंड Sn दिया है दैट इज 210. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिसिंग है. लेट अस सी. If we are using formula of an, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So in that we having an as 62, a as 8, n minus 1 we are not knowing and d we are not knowing. So let us shift it. So here we will get 62 minus 8 means we are getting 54. That is equals to n minus 1 into d. So this thing we having. Now we will write the formula of Sn. So Sn का हमारे पास एक formula है that is n by 2 into a plus an. So we will use that because majority things we having. So let us substitute the value. Here we having 210. N by 2 we not having. A we having as 8. An we having as 62. So let us solve it more. So 62 plus 8 will become 70. Let us reduce it, it will become 35. So here n we will take as 210 divided by 35. Let us solve it. यहाँ हम solve करने की try करें. 7 5 जा. So ये 7 3 जा 21 and that 10. So 7 we will reduce and this will make 5 2 जा. So n we got as 3 into 2. So n we got as 6. So here we will substitute that value and we will find that difference also and the rest thing also which we are not knowing. So here difference we can find as we will substitute the value of n in equation number 1. So how it will look like? So here we will write 6 minus 1 into d. So it is 54. That is equals to 5 into d. So difference we got as 54 by 5. So let us do 54 by 5. So 5 tens are 50 and that 4 decimal and that 0. 8 5s are 40. So here we got answer in the form of 10.8. So that is the difference, and if you want to keep it in the form of 54 by 5 that is also okay. So this was the concept. I hope you understood. Let me show you this. Here as I have solved, I have shifted this pi over here. I have divided and that answer is coming 10.8. So this is the answer of D. That is why we got D as 10.8. See over here. Let us do the next question, that is question number 8. So there is given an is equals to 4. Difference is given as 2. Sn is given as minus 14, n we have to find and a also we have to find. Let us do the process. It will be similar. Whatever we have done, it is similar to that question only. So let us solve it. हमारे पास क्या है हम वो लिखते हैं. We having an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d that we having. So that is 4. a हमें नहीं पता है. n minus 1 हमें नहीं पता है. Difference we are knowing. So simply here we are getting that is 4 is equals to a plus 2n minus 2. So if I am shifting it, so it will become 6 is equals to a plus 2n. So let us take it as equation number 1. Wherever it will be useful to us, we will use it. Means whatever concept we having, we will just apply it. And if it is useful, we will use it. If it is not useful, then we will see. Then second formula we having of Sn, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. As here you can see, you can also apply this thing also. Okay, means direct formula also, but here we having d, we having last term. So let me apply that. So that will become minus 14, that is n by 2, 2a. n minus 1 we are not knowing because a भी नहीं पता है, n भी नहीं पता है. Difference हमें पता है 2 का. So let us write here what we can do. we can take out these 2 common. So how it will look like? Let us take 2 common. So it will look like a plus n minus 1. It will look like this. Let us reduce it. So it will become minus 14 is equals to a plus n minus 1. Let us shift it. So it will become minus 13 is equals to a plus n. So here we got some another equation. I hope you can see over there. Okay, so here we got second equation. So here we will do elimination method. So let me write the equation. We having one equation in the form of a plus 2n is equals to 6. We having another equation in the form of a plus n is equals to minus 13. Let us change the sign. 2 minus 1, so it will become n. माइनस जो था वो प्लस हो गया है. ओके, मीन्स या नाउ यू हैव टू कंसिडर इट एज प्लस. सो 13 प्लस 6 विल बिकम 19. सो यानी टर्म्स का आंसर आएगा जो होगा 19. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड ए, यानी हम इक्वेशन 1 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. सो वी विल राइट दैट सब्स्टिट्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ n in equation 1. So how it will look like? So a plus 2n is equals to 6 है, जहाँ पे n के प्लेस पे अब हम रख सकते हैं that is 19. So it will become what? So a will become 6 minus 38. So a we are getting in minus and that is the minus 32. So see the question. As I told you, whatever we are knowing, we will just substitute. We will get some equations and then we will solve it by elimination method or substitution. So this is the concept of this kind of question. I hope you understood. So as here you can see, we will do the next question, that is the 9th question. A is given as 3, n is given as 8. as 8 हमें 192 दिया है, हमें डिफरेंस ढूंढना है. We have to find the difference. So what we will do? So let us do the process. हमारे पास जो जो चीज़ें हैं हम उसे सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. यानी अगर हम ए एन के फॉर्मूला में रख रहे हैं, हमारे पास ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी है. इन दैट वी नॉट हैविंग ए एन, हमारे पास ये 3 हो जाएगा और ये 8 माइनस 1 इंटू डी हो जाएगा. सो ए एन वी आर गेटिंग एज 3 प्लस वी आर गेटिंग 7d. ठीक है, ओके. So it means that we are finding A8. Okay, so that is not meaningful. We not got anything. What we want D. So what we will do, we will write Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So there we will substitute S8, that will become 8 by 2 into 2a plus 7d. So 8 S8 यहाँ पे हमें दिया है that is 192. Sorry, here. So here we write 192. This will become 4, 2. The value of A we are knowing, that is 3 plus 7d. Okay, यानी यहाँ से जो मीनिंग नहीं बना वो हमें वहाँ से आ गया है, तो हम ये कंसिडर कर रहे हैं. So let us write over there 192 divide by 4 कर देते हैं. 3 2 6 plus 7d. Let us reduce it. अगर हो रहा है तो reduce करें 2 से. So इधर 192 divide by 2 करेंगे. So here 12 will remain. So 6 so 0 0. Then we will reduce 96 2 So directly we can say, if we are reducing by 4, what we are getting, let me tell you. So 96 2 हो गया. So here you will reduce it by 2 again. So 4 2 8 और 8 यानी 48 हमें मिल गया है 6 plus 7d. 48 minus 6 करेंगे, that is equals to 7d. Okay, so let me write somewhere over here. 48 minus 6 will become 42 and that is equals to 7d. So here we are getting 7d is equals to 42. So d is equals to 42 by 7. 7 6 are. So here d we are getting as 6. So this is the concept of question number 9. I hope you understood. So as here you can see question number 10. what is given, we have to find a, we having an and Sn. So let us solve it. So here we having formula as, one formula we having as, here we having n. सबसे पहले हमारे पास n 9 है, an हमारे पास 28 है और s means a 9 and s 9 144 is given. We have to find a. How we will do it? So let us do. Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an वाला फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे, जहाँ पे ये Sn होगा, ये 9/2 होगा एंड a प्लस a 9 होगा. यहाँ वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करें, इट विल बिकम 144, दैट इज 9/2. तो कीप इट एज इट इज. दिस इज 9 एंड दिस इज a. वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट a 9 हम 28 रखेंगे. Let us multiply it. So it will become 144 into 2 divided by 9 and that is equals to a plus 28. We have to solve it. So let us solve it. So ये होगा 12 12 जा, जहाँ पे ये है 3 3 जा. So हम क्या करेंगे, 3 4 जा, 3 4 जा से कट करके 4 into 2 रिमेन रहने देंगे और हमारा आंसर कुछ इस फॉर्म में होगा. So let us solve it. So हमारे पास जो बच गया है वो है 4 4 जा 16, 2 जा 32. So in simple way I can write it as 32 is equals to a plus 20. So if you have to shift, so we will shift 32 minus 28. So here if you are subtracting it, we are getting a as 4. I hope you understood this concept. These concepts are very easy, as you can see. Only you should know the formulas, so you can solve it in very easy manner. If you are not knowing the formula, then also try to substitute the value. At the end you will reach to some destination. So this is my concept, that whatever you are knowing, just write it, apply two formula an and Sn, and you can get your answer in proper manner.